What if the first drink you have in the morning could significantly impact your blood sugar levels throughout the day? Discover the 10 best morning drinks that help manage blood sugar and offer numerous health benefits. We'll cover everything from powerful teas to juices and even super-nutritious smoothies. These drinks provide many advantages, but some substances require careful preparation and should be consumed in the right amounts to maximize benefits without overdoing it. Stick with us until the end to uncover all the valuable tips. Ready to optimize your mornings for better health? Let's get started. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is a powerful morning beverage for diabetics. Rich in catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate, this tea helps stabilize blood glucose levels. Recent studies, such as the one published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition in 2022, show that certain compounds in green tea can be used to treat diabetes. Additionally, green tea improves insulin sensitivity, aiding in the effective management of type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance. A practical example is starting your day with a cup of unsweetened green tea. This not only improves blood glucose levels, but also aids in weight loss, a crucial factor in managing diabetes. Green tea also contains antioxidants that protect pancreatic cells from oxidative damage, making it an excellent choice for those looking to control blood sugar naturally and effectively. Now, let's move on to another equally impactful drink. Number 2. Coffee. Black coffee is another excellent addition to a diabetic diet. It contains antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, which help improve glucose metabolism and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. For many, a cup of coffee in the morning can provide not just energy but also help maintain blood sugar levels. Studies show a link between coffee consumption and a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. For the best benefits, it's ideal to drink coffee without sugar. Adding a bit of almond milk, a spoonful of coconut oil, or heavy cream can be a good alternative, maintaining the coffee's properties without unnecessary sugars. This demonstrates how a simple cup of coffee can be healthily integrated into a diabetic's routine. The next option also has its unique benefits. Number 3. Lemon water. Lemon water is an excellent way to start the day for those looking to manage diabetes. Adding lemon juice to water creates a refreshing drink that also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Lemon improves insulin sensitivity and slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing glucose spikes after meals. Additionally, lemon is rich in vitamin C and minerals, which have antioxidant properties that help protect against cellular damage. For a practical example, start your day with a glass of warm water with half a lemon squeezed in. This hydrates the body and prepares the digestive system for a healthy day. Incorporating this practice into your morning routine can be a simple and effective way to improve blood sugar control. A tip is to drink it with a straw to avoid contact with your teeth, which can be harmful. Next, let's explore tea and its surprising benefits. Number 4. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is another powerful morning drink for diabetics. Cinnamon has properties that help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood glucose levels. Research published by the American Diabetes Association in 2003 found that cinnamon improves glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, cinnamon has antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress. To enjoy these benefits, simply add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick to a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes before drinking. This beverage helps control blood sugar while providing a pleasant and comforting flavor. Next, let's discover the advantages of a powerful seed. Number 5. Chia seed water. Chia seed water is a fantastic option for those needing to control diabetes. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel when hydrated. This gel helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing blood sugar spikes. Additionally, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and benefit cardiovascular health. To prepare, add a tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass of water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until the seeds form a gel. Drinking this mixture in the morning can promote a feeling of fullness and help control blood sugar throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a fruit ferment. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar water. Apple cider vinegar water is a powerful drink to help manage diabetes. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels after meals. To enjoy these benefits, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water. It's important to start with small amounts and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. Drinking this mixture in the morning can help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Like the tip about lemon water, it's recommended to drink it with a straw to avoid contact with your teeth. Next, let's discover the benefits of a root with anti-inflammatory properties. Number 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is an excellent choice for diabetics seeking a healthy morning drink. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help control blood sugar. Consuming ginger can significantly reduce fasting glucose levels and hemoglobin A1C, but be careful with the dosage. Since ginger is extremely potent, it's easy to overdo it. If consumed in excess, it can cause high blood pressure. To prepare the tea, simply add 3 to 5 very thin slices of fresh ginger to a cup of hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. For an extra touch of flavor and benefits, you can add a slice of lemon. This tea not only helps control blood sugar, but can also relieve digestive issues and provide a sense of well-being. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a powerful juice. Number 8. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is another morning drink that can benefit diabetics. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenol, pomegranate juice has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and reduced blood glucose levels. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can enhance insulin resistance and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are often associated with diabetes. To reap the benefits, it's important to choose 100% natural pomegranate juice without added sugars. Drinking a small glass of pomegranate juice in the morning can help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide a healthy dose of antioxidants. Next, let's explore something lesser known but with incredible benefits. Rewrite your story with food as medicine. Lower blood sugar, lose weight, trust research-backed, doctor-approved methods. Download now. Number 9. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek, a legume native to the Mediterranean, can significantly improve glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. Its tea is a powerful morning beverage for diabetics. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber that helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing blood sugar spikes. To prepare the tea, add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to a cup of hot water and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Consuming this drink in the morning can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Next, let's discover the benefits of enjoying a delicious smoothie. If you found this content valuable, please consider making a donation. Number 10. Avocado smoothie. An avocado smoothie is a delicious and nutritious option for diabetics. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, which help control blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Additionally, avocado contains potassium, which helps maintain blood pressure, providing an extra benefit for those with diabetes. To prepare a smoothie, combine half an avocado, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or heavy cream in a blender. Blend until you achieve a creamy consistency. This smoothie not only helps control blood sugar, but also provides a healthy dose of essential nutrients. Knowing the 10 best morning drinks for diabetics, we realize how nature offers us tasty and important options for stabilizing blood sugar. From the well-known coffee to the revitalizing green tea and juicy avocado, to the lesser-known fenugreek, these drinks can become great allies in managing diabetes. Starting the day with the right drink can be a crucial step for the rest of your day. Incorporating these drinks into your morning routine can offer numerous benefits, from improving insulin sensitivity to providing essential nutrients that promote overall health. Now that you've discovered the 10 best morning drinks for diabetics, which one are you most excited to try? Do you know any morning drink recipes that we didn't mention? Share with us in the comments. And as a thank you for watching until the end, we've prepared a special recommendation for you.